But right now, ako for one, I'm already suspecting at least yung big chunk of the 75 billion kung saan napunta. Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin na 51.7 billion na yung 20 billion chinap-chap nila into 60 million per congressman. No? And the remaining 31 billion, yun yung napunta sa Farm to Market Road, 2nd Legislative District ng Pampanga, Camarines Sur, Andaya Highway, yun yung 31. So, hindi pa validated yung kung part, yung 51.7 billion na yon, part noong 75 billion. We're still validating it. I only suspect that because when they changed leadership sa House, tinanggal nila yon from the previous leadership at saka mga allies nila, nilipat naman nila doon sa mga bagong allies ng bagong leader, ng bagong speaker. So yung 51.7 billion na yung 20 billion napunta sa sinabing equally distributed among 297 congressmen. So yung butal na 31.7, na-breakdown din kami doon. So if we validate, if we are able to confirm na yung 51.7 billion is part of or was part of the 75 billion, yun na yun. So ngayon, hanapan ng hanapan. Even DPWH, we're asking them to submit to us the list of the items under the 75 billion incremental increase. They have not responded because they're still in the process of validating.